Why is up, everybody? It's your boy Chad over at the Weird Flex channel. Hey, today is a special day on the channel because it is app review time. And look, my friends, or whatever they are, they're acting crazy over this AI tool and that AI tool these days. And Chad doesn't really get it. I don't think it's all that cool, honestly. But hey, if it makes you happy, I mean, but like I said, it is app review day. And today we are reviewing another tool in this space that I probably won't understand or have any idea how to use because I'm awesome and my friends aren't, and that is Swim SLD. So apparently before SOLIDWORKS 2024 even comes out, it can generate and show me clips of features in mere seconds that are gonna help me work smarter than ever with my parts, my assemblies, and my drawings in SOLIDWORKS 2024 on my way to making awesome products. All of that with just some simple prompts? Well, that's what it says it can do. Okay, Swim SLD, give me about 1 minute or so of how I can design parts smarter in SOLIDWORKS 2024. Oh, look, it's actually doing something. Look. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap, it actually gave us a video. Let's take a look. Okay, Swim SLD, same thing, but this time for assemblies in 2024. Let's go. Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
What's new in drawing in 2024? Let's take a look. Total curveball here. Let's say I work with other people. What about administering SOLIDWORKS using tools in 2024? Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in watching more about SOLIDWORKS 2024, you can watch these videos. If you want to subscribe to the Weird Flex channel, my next video will be about chopping off your sleeves on your t-shirt. See ya.